Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to install Whonix on Windows using VirtualBox. First, open Google and search for Whonix. Open the official Whonix website. Now click on Download Now. Select your operating system. Scroll down and download the Whonix VirtualBox. This is the Whonix operating system that we will run inside VirtualBox. Next, download VirtualBox. Once the download is complete, open the VirtualBox installer. Follow the installation steps. After the installation finishes, VirtualBox is ready to use. Now let's move on to installing Whonix inside VirtualBox. When you download Whonix, you will get this file. Now, right-click, and if you see this option, Open with VirtualBox, you can simply double-click it and it will open automatically. If you don't see that option, open VirtualBox. Click Import. Then locate the Whonix file. Click Next. Then Finish, and VirtualBox will import the virtual machine. As you can see, Whonix has now been installed. You will notice that there are two virtual machines, Whonix Gateway and Whonix Workstation. The Whonix Gateway acts like a secure router. It connects to the internet and forces all traffic through the Tor network, helping hide your real IP address. The Whonix Workstation is the system you actually use. All applications run here, but the Workstation can only access the internet through the gateway, which keeps your activity isolated and anonymous. To use Whonix correctly, you must start the gateway first, and then the Workstation. So let's start Whonix Gateway. When it launches, you will see several boot mode options. For normal daily activities, choose the first option. This mode saves your system changes, settings, and updates permanently. The second option is used for system maintenance and administrative tasks, such as updates or configuration changes. The third mode starts a temporary disposable session. Nothing is saved after shutdown. The fourth option is a temporary maintenance or testing session with admin access. And again, nothing is saved after reboot. The fifth mode disables the separation between user and system accounts, giving full, unrestricted admin access. The sixth option provides extra boot and troubleshooting settings for the normal user mode. For this video, I will select the first option. Now you can see that Whonix Gateway is running. Next, open Whonix Workstation. Select it and click Start. Again, choose the boot mode. Now the Workstation will launch. To verify that everything is working, let's check if we are connected to the Tor network. Open the Tor browser. Click Test Connection. As you can see, we are successfully connected to the Tor network. And that's it! Now you know how to install Whonix on Windows using VirtualBox. Thanks for watching!